What's up, beautiful people? It's your girl Shakera, and we're back at it with another video. And today is some super cleaning motivation. We are going to get up off our butts and get it done. Yes, I'm calling you out. I know it's something in the house that needs to be done. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like this video, and hit that notification bell. And let's get to it, okay? And don't forget to follow me over on social media at Life is So Sincere so we can keep up with each other. But let's get into it. Y'all see your girl is cleaning the kitchen. Look at my little helper. Your boy loves to sweep the floor. Look at him. So yeah, let's get to it. I'm not going to do too much talking, y'all. Just clean with me. Let's groove it out. Let's get it done. How y'all feeling over there? I mean, your girl is feeling motivated. Every time I clean the kitchen, it just gives me super motivated to clean the rest of the house or to just tackle something else. I saw this thing before that said the kitchen is like the ripple effect. So if you start there, you'll more than likely do more around your house. So let me know down in the comments, do y'all think that's true or not? And if you haven't already, please stop what you're doing and subscribe to your girl's channel. Don't forget, it's free support and it helps me out so much. I really appreciate you all. And make sure you follow me on Instagram at Life is So Sincere. All right, y'all, let's get it done. And this is what my son did while I was cleaning the kitchen. So I'm going to go ahead and tackle this. Y'all know how the kiddos are. Get into everything. It's not too bad. I'm just straightening up a little bit in here. Tidy up. Let's get to it. Alright, you guys, we are on the tail end. I greatly appreciate you for cleaning along with me today, or if you just simply soaked up some motivation. Either way, I appreciate your support so much. Y'all, here is the living room. I am finished with this part for the day. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and like this video for more content like this. Y'all, I got some packages. Make sure you have already checked out my house to home series where I showed you guys my beauty boutique, because it was on and popping. Your girl did her thing over there. So I'll see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Always walk by faith and slay plus pray.